lovers, welcome to my channel. Today's video, it's going to be a fun video because we're going to play with random makeup. My hair is bare and I'm ready to start. Well, I decided that because I've been showing a lot of Chanel, Dior and other brands on my channel, I wanted to play with the beautiful Natasha Denona Biba palette. And this palette is very neutral. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show it right here. It's a beautiful neutral color palette. And along with the Natasha Denona 10 Bronze Glow palette. These are palettes that have been out for a while, but I haven't had the chance to make a video on them and decided to put them all together. Why not? I also have the Bloom Blush and Glow palette right here. It's beautiful. I might use a little bit of this one maybe if I get the chance. But in the meantime, I have a bunch of makeup here on my table that I'm really eager to start using. But first we're going to start with foundation. I already applied my eye cream, my moisturizer. I also use Tasha the Silk Canvas on my face, on these areas of my face. And we are ready to start. I'm going to use the Essential Foundation, and this foundation is from Guerlain. It's not yet in the United States, but it will be here soon, probably, I don't know, the next few months. It's been out in Europe for a while now. I ordered mine of Selfridges, an online store. I'm gonna link here somewhere the video I made on this foundation, because there you can see how I apply it. But it's a nice foundation. I really enjoy using it. I really love it. It's SPF. It feels really light. It's not full coverage though, but it's a very nice foundation. I really like it. And 16-hour foundation, that's a long time for a foundation to be on your face. But if you have to go to work early and you do your makeup, you know it will stay on your face. Now I will apply my concealer, and this one is the Giorgio Armani in color 8.75. This is like my holy grail. I'm not going to apply any concealer underneath my eyes. This is to set up my eyeshadow, just in case I get some fallout, then I will be able to clean after. And I draw my eyebrows because it takes me a long time to draw them nowadays. Alright, now we're gonna see what colors are we gonna use. This is more like an everyday makeup, something very simple, that what I would do on a daily basis. Do that. A little bit of powder on my eyelids. And by the way, this one is the Hourglass Veil. With a Smith brush 232, we're gonna go, I guess we're gonna start with the lightest color in the palette. Oh my God, I can't believe, but the black color in the palette just came off right there. Oh no. I'm so glad it didn't fall all over and got destroyed. I can't believe that just happened. Anyway, I'm gonna start with the color Dusk on the palette, which is right next to the black color. And Natasha Denona not always, well, actually I don't think she has ever added the color black to any palette, and this one was one. This was her first. Now I will go in with this, the color Buff in the palette. Sorry I can't show much, but I am afraid that the color black can fall all over and just make a mess. And I'm applying this color right on my right above my crease. And I'm doing it right above my crease. That way, with my hooded eyes, it won't look like my eyelid is falling over. Now I'm gonna go with a darker color. I need a darker color, and it's going to be, I think, this one right here, so we stay within the same family. This color is called Pasha. Right on my outer V. And I really love Natasha Denona formula. It's so soft. I wanted to give it a lot of use. These are very, very expensive eyeshadow palettes, and I want to make sure that I really, really give them some love. I think that's good. I'm gonna go back and with my bigger brush and blend those colors. And with my Miss Brush 256, I'm gonna go into Color Shine, which is this one, and apply it on my lid. Now on my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go to that color again, Pasha, and apply it to my bottom lashes. Just on the outer V, on the corner, I'm not gonna take it all the way in. I will do that later. I'll do some blending later. I'm gonna go with the brush 230 and try to blend that color, getting it closer to the inner corner. With the Smith brush 203, I'll go into the black color and just going to add a little bit right here on my eyelashes, my eyelash line, and add a little bit of density since I don't have too many lashes. That's going to help. There. Now we're gonna add a little bit of Monroe color, which is this one right here, to my inner corner. Perfect. Now that we're done with the eyes, let me finish with my concealer. And we're going to add a little bit here because on this area, it gets really dark. At least for me. A little bit on my nose. Go back with that foundation brush and make sure everything is good. We're going to add some mascara, and this is Le Volume from Chanel. Now we really finished with the eyes after mascara and concealer. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty stick. This is the Match Stick in color Truffle. And I will apply it a little bit to my nose. Here, here. I want to try it and see if that tricks above your lips really works. I never done that before. I have not tried yet the foundation from Fenty Beauty. I don't know, I have to probably go to the store and get matched, because when I go online and I see the colors, I don't see one for me. Now let us use the 10 and Glow palette from Natasha Denona. I'm gonna use this Smith 157 with the bronzer color. This is supposed to be like a bronzer and blush at the same time. It's beautiful. I have used it a couple times already, though I haven't featured it in my channel. It's beautiful color that I'm going to apply right on top of that Fenty Match Stick. Right. Now, I think I am going to powder my face, but starting with the Hourglass powder, I will powder my under eyes. I don't bake. I don't think I have ever baked in my life. Just going to apply a little bit of powder right here. This is supposed to be a simple makeup look, and it is turning into full glam. I don't know, but I promise you I don't do these many steps on an everyday basis. I promise. I'm gonna go into the Blush and Glow palette, this one, and since I haven't kind of applied any powder there, let me go with this brush and apply a little bit on the back of my hand for the excess, because it's a little bit, and just add a little bit on the higher points of my cheeks, just a tiny bit for coloring. Can you see that? A little bit more on the back of my hand, and voila. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's makeup. If I don't like it, I can wash it off. Always remember that you're playing with makeup, can always be washed off. I used to be more intimidated, and then I figured, why? I can wash it off if I don't like it, right? I'm gonna go back to the 10 palette, and right here on this bronzer color, I'm gonna use that color with the one that is lighter and apply it to the highest points of my cheeks. Oh, talk about intensity. Do the same thing on the other side. On the bridge of my nose. And I think we finished. Add a little bit more. I think the highlighter kind of went down a little bit too much. See? Now with a little bit of my powder brush, I didn't apply it anymore. It's whatever is on the brush. Now we're going to move to my lips. And I will use the Persona Cosmetic Lip Gloss. This is in color Toffee Gloss. I got the 3 lip glosses, the first one, and I will use the Lip Cheat and color Hot Gossip from Charlotte Tilbury. And I don't know how many of you have really tried the Persona Cosmetics, but I really like them. Her eyeshadow palette, it's beautiful. Sona Gasparian really did a very nice job with that palette. There, my lips are done. And this is the color. Looks like, I think it's like a rich chocolate reddish color. See, looks beautiful. And let me use my, since I applied a little bit on my hand, the back of my hand, I'm gonna use a lip brush. For lip gloss, I actually like to use a lip brush. There. And this is it. We have completed this look. I had fun really playing with different makeup without staying with one line. Again, I love to try new makeup all the time, but I'm kind of faithful to certain products. I'm a creature of habit, and I kind of stay with the same lines over and over again. Though I have Natasha Denona. She has become quickly one of my favorites, and I really enjoy these two palettes. They are great for the summer, along with the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Gasm. Those are like, I keep them in rotation, and I really enjoy using them. This L'Essential foundation, it's beautiful foundation. It's so light on the skin. It's light to medium coverage. If you are a high coverage kind of girl foundation, this is not for you. It is buildable, but it would not give you that high coverage that you might like to cover like blemishes and scars. That's not that kind of foundation. I am oily during the whole summer, during the whole year, but during the cold month, I am more combo, especially if I'm in a place where it's really winter. I live in Florida and it's very hot here. Then I am combo. In the meantime, I really highly recommend this foundation. It's great. Give it a try as soon as it gets in the United States. I will let you know as soon as I find out, because mine, as I mentioned before, I ordered online and I had to place 2 orders. But anyway, I will link down below the review on that foundation that I made already. Guerlain did a fantastic job in the range of colors, trying to match everybody's skin. And just have fun. I really enjoy Natasha Denona Biba palette. It's a neutral palette, and I love those kind of colors. They love them. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to follow me on social media, CV Makeup Lover, where I upload pictures of new makeup every week. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you have not, and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.